children? We have already read the chapter Gopi and Bagha and summarized the chapter and enjoyed it as well. Today we are going to do the question answers. The first question is, why did the villagers call Gopi Gaine? The word Gaine means a singer. Gopi was the only one in his village who could sing anything at all. So the villagers called him Gopi Gaine. Right? Soon people stopped coming to his father's shop. Why did this happen? People stopped coming to the shop of Gopi Gaine's father because Gopi would all day long sing only one song. Right? He was a good singer, but he was the only one in his village who could sing, but he would sing the same song day in, day out. So the customers also got fed up of his singing and they stopped coming to his father's shop. Next, what made people forget Baga's actual name? Right? Baga's actual name was not Baga Baine. Right? The word Baine means a tiger-like drummer. Right? The word Baine means a tiger-like drummer. Baga was an amazing drummer, but sometimes he roared like a tiger and his audience ran away in fear. They stumbled and fell. So they started calling him Baga Baine, which means the tiger-like drummer, and forgot his actual name. Right? Why did Baga have to play his new drum standing up? You remember in the story I told you that Baga would play the drum day long from morning till evening, and by the end of the day his drum would break off, right? And his father was very upset with all this because he had to get a new drum every day the next morning, right? He had to get it a new drum next morning. So he thought that now I will no more bring drum for Baga. But the villagers decided to collect some money and get a strong big drum for Baga. They got a huge drum made up of buffalo skin, and that is why Baga decided that he would play the drum standing up from then on, because the drum was very huge. What did Baga do whenever he was hungry? I told you children, whenever Baga was practicing in the forest and he would get hungry, he would go back to his village. He went back to his village and he would start drumming there. Right? And the people of the village, the villagers, would quickly give him something to eat so that they don't have to listen to his drumming for a long time. And this way they helped, and what did Baga do whenever he was hungry? Whenever Baga was hungry, I told you, what did Baga do? Baga was living in the forest and he was practicing his drumming there without any kind of disturbance or shooing away by villagers, right? So what did he do? Whenever he was hungry, he would go back to his village and start drumming there. He would go back to his village and start drumming there, and the villagers would quickly bring something for him to eat so that he would eat it and his stomach would be full and he will go back to the forest, and they could live peacefully, right? And now we will meet in the Google Meet class, and any other doubt you have regarding the chapter, you can clarify.